Welcome to another beautiful day that presents us with new opportunities to strive for and achieve our goals. Join me as I bless the day. I have with me Enzu, traditional Igbo native chalk, symbolizing purity of the heart. Kola nut, representing life and hospitality, and a bottle of gin. I call on the divine immanence, Chukwu, my chi, our revered ancestors, and our ancestral gods and goddesses who, out of the abundance of their immeasurable love, have always blessed us with wisdom and guided us. As I present to you this kola nut in today's morning kola nut ritual, I ask that the divine immanence and our ancestors to guide and guard us again today. May our children and we not step on thorns, nor we walk on traps set for us by the evil ones. May we be blessed with wisdom and be inspired with ideas to be productive. May our hands be blessed to make good, and our efforts be rewarded with abundance. May none of our loved ones die prematurely. Those who plan evil for us, may evil and destruction pay them visit. But for our family, friends, and well-wishers, give us good health, prosperity, and longevity. May the day end well for us.